Alright guys, so right now you can see we have this machine which will help us later. I'm in PopCat and now I have 9,525 clicks. Let's try this machine out. Alright, let's turn it on to the max. Alright, hold on, let me turn it on. Yeah, let's start. Alright, 3, 2, 1. But I think there's a better one. Let's try. Yeah, let's turn it on. Maximum. Turns out that wasn't maximum. Alright, maximum. 32. 3, 2, 1. Oh, my phone is shaking. It's turning all around. Turning circle. Oh yeah, we reached 10,000. Oh my god, this thing is goofy. So the machine stopped, but let's continue with our bare finger. Yeah, that's all. So, tell you what, that machine works. So, if you're playing some geometry dash stuff, or maybe you want to break PopCat record, that's currently 1 billion, then just buy that machine.